Apptivo tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video on how to use Apptivo. Apptivo is a cloud-based business management software that offers a wide range of tools and applications to help businesses manage their operations efficiently. It is an all-in-one platform that integrates various business functions such as CRM, project management, invoicing, and more. With Apptivo, you can streamline your business processes, improve collaboration among team members, and keep track of everything in one place. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basic features and functionalities of Apptivo to help beginners get started. We will show you how to create an account and give you an overview of the platform's features and functionalities. Additionally, we will demonstrate how to create activities and log calls in Apptivo. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Apptivo, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description. So go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct homepage. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Start for Free button. This action will redirect you to the registration page. Here, you'll find different options to sign up for a new account. You can choose to sign up with your email, Google account, Office 365 account, PayPal account, Xero account, or Apple ID. Select the one that is most convenient for you and proceed with the registration. The site will guide you through the process with on-screen prompts. You'll have to provide further information as requested. Once you've completed the process, you will be directed to your account dashboard. The Apptivo dashboard is the heart of the Apptivo platform, serving as a central location where you can access all your data, settings, and other important features. The interface is designed to be user-friendly and easy to navigate, with a left menu that houses various important tabs. The My Agenda tab is a personalized planner, allowing you to organize your tasks and activities in chronological order. It provides an efficient way to manage your time, prioritizing tasks according to deadlines and importance. The news feed displays the latest updates and notifications related to your business operations. It's a quick way to stay informed about ongoing projects, team updates, and any significant changes. The Calendar tab provides a visual representation of your schedule, allowing you to keep track of your meetings, deadlines, and important dates. It integrates with other Apptivo apps, ensuring that your calendar is always up to date. The Tasks tab is where you can create, assign, and track tasks. You can add detailed descriptions, set due dates, and assign them to team members. The Call Logs section is where all your business calls are recorded. It serves as a record of your call history, including the date, time, duration, and participants of each call. My Work Queue is a list of tasks and activities that need to be completed. It helps you manage your workload, ensuring that nothing gets lost in the shuffle. The Follow-ups tab is a reminder system that helps you manage your follow-up activities. You can schedule follow-ups for leads, customers, and any other business contacts. The Emails tab integrates your email account with Apptivo, allowing you to send and receive emails directly from the platform. The Notes section is an area where you can jot down any important thoughts, ideas, or reminders. In addition to the left menu, there's a top bar with additional features. The Product Management tab covers everything related to your products or services, from inventory management to pricing. The Financials tab handles all your financial data, offering features for invoicing, estimates, and more. The CRM tab is where you'll find tools for managing your customer relationships, including contacts, work orders, opportunities, leads, and customers. The Human Resources tab provides tools for managing your team, from recruitment and candidates to teams and employees. Lastly, the Project Management tab is where you can manage all your projects from initiation to closing. Now, let's see how to create an activity in Apptivo. Creating an activity in Apptivo is a straightforward process that aids in organizing your tasks, events, and follow-ups effectively. The platform enables you to keep track of your activities and manage your time efficiently, providing a snapshot of your agenda at a glance. To create an activity, navigate to the My Agenda tab in the left menu. This tab is the center for organizing your tasks and activities chronologically and prioritizing them according to importance. Once you're in the My Agenda tab, look to the top left side of the page for the Create Activity button and click on it. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu presents you with three primary options: Event, Task, and Follow-up. These three make up the backbone of your activities on Apptivo. Events are specific happenings scheduled at a particular time, like meetings or webinars. Tasks are specific pieces of work that you or your team need to complete within a set time frame. Follow-ups are reminders for you to engage with leads, customers, or business contacts at a later date. In this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a task. Upon selecting the task option from the drop-down menu, a right sidebar will appear on the screen. This sidebar is where you provide crucial details for the task creation. The name field is where you provide a specific title for your task, a unique identifier that allows you to recognize what the task is about at a glance. The description field is for providing a more detailed explanation of your task, explaining what it entails and any other information relevant to completing the task. The due date field is where you specify when the task needs to be completed. This helps in prioritizing tasks and ensuring that deadlines are met. The assign to field is where you designate the responsibility of the task to a team member. This helps in delegating tasks and ensuring that everyone knows what they're responsible for. After filling out these fields with the necessary information, click on the Create button to finalize the creation of the task. The task will then be added to your agenda, ready for you to start working on. Next, let's see how to create log call in Apptivo. Creating a log call in Apptivo is an integral part of managing your business communications efficiently. A log call in Apptivo is essentially a record of a business call that has transpired. By creating a log call, you can keep track of important details from your business conversations, such as date, time, duration, participants, and main points of discussion. This feature is especially beneficial for businesses that need to manage and monitor a high volume of calls, as it enables efficient retrieval of information when needed and ensures accountability. To create a log call, navigate to the Call Logs tab found in the left menu of the Apptivo dashboard. This tab serves as a repository of all your business calls, providing structured visibility. Once you're on the Call Logs page, locate the Log Call button on the top left side of the page and click on it. This action will prompt a right sidebar to appear on your screen. This is where you will input the required details for the log call. Call subject is where you input the title or main topic of the call. It serves as a quick reference point that helps you recognize the purpose of the call at a glance. Call summary is a brief description of the call, providing a little more detail about the call's content. Type refers to the nature of the call, which could be outbound or inbound. Call date is the date on which the call occurred, and start time refers to when the call commenced. Duration refers to the length of the call. Tags give you the option to categorize the call for more efficient searching and sorting later on, while attendee allows you to log who participated in the call. Associated with lets you link the call to related projects, opportunities, or team members within your organization. After filling out all these fields with the necessary information, finalize the process by clicking on the Create button. With this action, the log call will be created and added to your call logs, available for future reference and accountability. This systematic approach to logging calls ensures that no important information falls through the cracks, bolstering your business communication management. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Apptivo. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching, and take